In this video, I will showcase the fastest and most powerful AI image generator. Let's begin. Meet Decohere AI, the coolest thing I've ever seen. You can see that I've written a prompt in this box, and up here, it's creating images following my prompt. To access this AI, go to your browser and search for Decohere AI. Open the first website you see. You'll find an interface like this. Lots of images created by people. Down here, there's even more variety if you want to check out more pics. But first, log in with your Gmail. After logging in, if you want to create your own image with a specific prompt, simply go to the Create section. Here, you have multiple options. You can select frames for various social media platforms, and here you can remove watermarks. However, these options are available in the premium section. You can also upload your image and upscale it. Another option is to use a reference person. Now, let's write some prompts. When I write a prompt at the top, it starts creating images according to my prompt. You can see a lot of generated images here. Simply select the one you like, and you'll see more options in the bar below. However, these options are also in the premium version. If you want to download any image, simply click on Add to Library. Then, go to the Library section where you'll find the image you added. Click on the download icon, and your image will be downloaded successfully. Creating images with this AI tool is so cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.